it's Tia. Welcome back. I wanted to sit down and make kind of a quick video today because I have been MIA from this channel. Started out 2019 with the goal of creating content every week, and as the year went on I progressively got worse until no content at all appeared. But it is my sincere goal and my intention to create content consistently in this new year. But it'd be kind of weird if you start seeing videos popping up and be like,
who is this girl and why is she talking to me?
So I am making this video as a sort of reintroduction. Hi, it's Tia. Thought I would throw at you just a little bit more about me. Basically, my name is Tia. My full name is Tiara, but everyone calls me Tia. I created the username TiaTravels24 when I was in college. I thought it was fun and catchy, and 24 is the day of the month of April that I was born on, so it just kind of worked. I think on the interweb, I am most well known for my anorexia video where I talk about my challenge with mental health. Otherwise, I live a pretty normal life. It's January 8th, 2020. I have said that it is 2019 approximately 17 times, but I have a lot of things that I love doing, and they include writing, creating graphics and photos and videos. Currently I live in the state of Wisconsin. I'm a real estate agent. I have previously worked in criminal justice. I have my college degree from UW-La Crosse in communications and psychology. I'm 25 going on 26. Obviously, I like makeup and fashion, but I am definitely not the best at it, but I'm okay with it. I have a brother that is on YouTube as well, and he loves creating content. He has kind of switched over to TikTok a little bit now, which I also do have and also do enjoy. I know if you're watching this and you're like,
Tia, you're 25 and you're on TikTok, you're too old.
That may be.
I'm still gonna do it anyways.
Consistency and organization. I'm vegetarian, which is not that common in the state of Wisconsin, as we are the cheese state and a lot of people hunt here. My dad passed away when I was in high school. I have two younger sisters. One has been on my channel before. And so I don't think you can ever really summarize your life completely in a 5-minute video, but that was my attempt. I really hope that we can kind of go on this whole journey thing together. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video and you wouldn't mind watching me again, don't forget to hit subscribe. Hopefully you didn't hate me and you don't give it a thumbs down. This is me. Until next time, thank you guys so much for watching.
Went back to the car after a couple minutes.
And cried. Do you like that? We're in historic Third Ward.
Yes,
Ward.
we are.
Whatever it's called.
They're just like